Hey, what's up guys? This is Voodoo8648 and this is my lovely assistant Sailor Brooke, and today we are going to be replacing the factory screen protector on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. Now to do this you're going to need obviously Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, and I'm using a ZAGG Invisible Shield. This is designed specifically for Samsung. I got it from Best Buy for about $39.99. Okay, so before we begin this process, what we're going to need to do is first we're going to need a very clean surface to work on, okay? Because once you apply the screen protector, it is supposed to be a permanent fit. And anything that is left in there, fingerprints, dust, scratches, anything, it's going to show it behind that screen protector. So you definitely want to begin with a clean surface before you start. So in addition to the screen protector in the phone, I have some Windex and a microfiber towel. So we want to
clean your surface area.
Clean your surface area. We don't want any dust. I'm using a microfiber because microfiber is proven to be the best dust picker-upper. Next, let's go ahead and turn the screen off. You want one of these little microfiber towels. This came with it. So we're going to preliminary cleaning. My phone's going off while I'm doing this. I apologize for that. Okay, so you really want a nice clean surface. It looks good for now, but we can do better. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and open up the ZAGG Invisible Shield. I've already opened this up and I've already looked at all the parts and done the research, the contents. Just make sure everything's in there and understand what I'm getting myself into. So with the ZAGG, excuse me, you got it comes with a squeegee here. It comes with it's like an alignment mounting tool. You set the phone inside of there. So if you notice, it has the word top right on top, so obviously that's where the top of the phone goes. So what we're going to do is you want to take your Z Fold 3 and set it in there carefully. It should have a nice snug feel. It's not an extremely snug feel, but it is definitely fitted properly. Okay. Next, it came with its own little microfiber here. We'll use. Next, it looks like this is the screen protector itself. It is numbered. You got the number 1, number 2, 3, and 4 on here. It's the steps of peeling this off in order. Peel it off in that order. This next envelope, it's got the nice Invisible Shield logo on it. Inside of this envelope, nothing left. Yes, there is. It comes with a dust removal sticker. Okay, it comes with a wet cleaning wipe. I've already opened it, but I have not used it yet. Here's your instruction manual. I've already went over it. I know what the hell I'm doing, so we'll just get into it. Okay, I'm going to take this wet wipe here. It smells like a normal alcohol pad, nothing special. I'm going to go ahead and wipe this down. Oops, I keep knocking the camera, I'm sorry. I'm going to take the included microfiber and wipe that down again. Take your time with this step. Cleaning this thing. See, there's a little dirt that come off there. We want all that off. Take your time because it's not really a cheap screen protector, 40 bucks. I guess this would also work for the Galaxy Z Fold 2 as well. I want to take this Invisible Shield dust removal sticker and just to make sure that there's nothing left behind. We're just going to run this along the surface, get any fingerprints, any small dust. You're going to be looking at that for the rest of the life of your phone. Okay, now for the application of the screen protector itself, this is a two-step process. I'm going to flip this sideways here. Here's the camera notch up here, so that goes like that. Okay, first we're going to remove this back portion here. It's it's preliminary dust removal, and then we'll actually apply and whatever you do, do not touch the underside of the screen protector. You want to take it off and get it on there. Oh, I'm sorry, but we see how fast it takes for dust to accumulate on there? It's going to need another wipe down. Because this is it, folks. This is... Alright, it's ready. You don't want no fingerprints on this adhesive side of this screen protector. Okay, let that... You're going to want to go up and down on this about 2 to 3 times according to the instructions. Again, this is just the dust. This removes, I guess, the dust. They say to do it 2 or 3 times. I'm doing it about 20 to 30 times. So according to the instructions, we're going to place the squeegee right here in the middle. We're going to lift up on tab 2. And what's going to happen is that is going to expose the actual screen protector itself. And as we're going to push forward, and that'll automatically remove the dust layer off. Lift this up a little bit. And with any luck, hopefully you won't be left with any bubbles, but you might. Just massage these bubbles out. There's a couple little tiny ones, but that's okay. Okay, now for the other half. Again, same way. We're going to put the squeegee in the middle, lift up on tab number 3 to expose that second layer, and it'll just fall off as we slide that squeegee along the length of the screen. We got to get over these little bumps here. And that's how that's done, folks. I want to make sure I'm peeling the correct part off and not the screen protector itself. Looks like I am. So if you can see this, we are peeling it off.
Comes off like a piece of butter.
And there you are.
Voila.
It does look like that there's a scratch or something. Maybe that's from me pushing it too hard, I'm not sure. But that's about as close to factory. Actually, this would be better than factory, because I just peeled the factory one off and it is absolute junk. It rips really easily. So let's get it out of here. Looks like that's it, folks. Whoop, there's NASA. It works.
Show the screen.
The ZAGG Invisible Shield, purchased from Best Buy for $39.99. Lifetime warranty. This is not a paid promotion. This is just my experience using this Invisible Shield. My factory screen protector cracked, so I needed to replace it, and I figured I'd show you guys how to do this. It's not that hard. You just want to take your time and clean it right before you apply this. So thanks for watching, guys. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up, hit the notification button to be notified of my newest videos, and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in.